Open VRAY N, click Add Socks Server, and enter Proxy in the alias. Go to Proxy Link Pro, click Proxy Generator, and choose a location, SOCKS 5. Generate the address. Copy the generated address and return to your VRAY N settings to paste it into the Address tab. Set the port by pasting the numbers after the colon. Copy and paste the generated authentication credentials after the port. Click OK. Click Enable TUN. Check with What is my IP address that your proxy is configured correctly.